This is a video about how to create an announcement. You can create an announcement to share important information with all users within your course. Note that your course must be published for students to receive announcement notifications. Navigate to the announcements link in your notification bar. Click the blue plus Add Announcements button. And now you can create your announcement. You can add the title in the title field and add content in the box below. You can also add links, files, and images using the Rich Content Editor. If you scroll down, you will see you have the option to add an attachment. You can also delay posting, which allows you to schedule the announcement for a future date. You can also enable allowing students to add comments and other options. When you are finished customizing your announcement, you can click Save. Unless you are using the delayed posting option, once you click Save, your announcement will immediately be posted in the course. Thank you.